People's lifestyle has changed a lot with time. Globalization has seriously affected one's eating habits and enforced people to consume fancy foods and high calorie fast food. We are in so much hurry that we just eat what is easy and readily available to us, like bread, cereal, pasta, etc., that makes a major portion of our diet. Now, it would be very unfair and impossible to stop consuming them entirely as they have formed a major portion of our diet. But surely you can make it healthy. Here in this video, I'll discuss with you how bringing some little changes in your life can make the consumption of your bread and cereals healthy for you and thus improve your immune system. Now, obviously, we are all not farmers, and so all of us depend on the packed wheat flour, rice, and refined and salt that we get from the market. But are you sure that these food are providing you with the right amount of nutrient that your body needs? Many of the nutrients might be lost during the post harvesting processes of the wheat, rice, or salt, and thus they lead to major nutrient deficiencies. Research has shown that without the added nutrients, a high percentage of children and adolescents have been facing various micronutrient deficiencies. That's why the fortification of these food with the key nutrients is very important to prevent any nutrient deficiencies. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, that is FSSAI, through its Food Fortification Research Center, has been promoting the fortified food like rice, wheat, oil, salt, etc., that have been added with the key nutrients to prevent the nutrient deficiency in the body. Wheat has been fortified with iron, folic acid, vitamin A, B complex vitamins, and zinc. Iron, folate, and vitamin B12 help in anemia and blood formation. Rice have been fortified with iron, folic acid, and B12 vitamin, and similarly, salt has been fortified with iodine and iron. These are known as double fortified salt. They prevent the iodine deficiency disorder like goiter, brain damage, and hypothyroidism. The refined oil has also been fortified with vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin D. They help in decreasing the risk of cancer and autoimmune diseases and also prevent various infectious diseases and cardiovascular diseases. Milk has also been fortified with vitamin A and D, and there is also almond and soya milk in the market that is a good option for the vegan and lactose intolerant people. All these food have been approved by FFRC FSSAI. You can have a look at their website for more details. You can go to their website and see all the staple food that are present in the fortified form. You can go to a particular food and check the key nutrients that are being added to them. You can check the scientific evidence and all other details, and at the last you can also see the brands that are manufacturing them. These fortified food, by providing you with the right amount of the key nutrient, help you to fight many infections and diseases and also improves your immune system. Now, coming to bread, cereal, and pasta that form the major part of the breakfast for most of us. We pay very less attention while buying a packet of bread. We think the white bread and the whole grain bread, they are all same. Well, they are not. The main difference lies in the presence of the bran layer and the germ layer. The bran layer contains the most of the fibrous part of the grain and the B vitamins and the minerals. The germ layer also contains various nutrients like B vitamins, vitamin E, phytochemicals, and the healthy fats. Whereas in the refined flour, the bran and the germ layer are absent and only endosperm is present. So, although the calorie content in the whole grain bread and the refined grain bread is same, but the presence of the bran layer and the germ layer make the whole grain bread much more healthier than the refined grain bread. Also, one more thing to notice is that all brown breads are not the whole grain bread. See, many of the brown bread might add the refined flour with some little amount of wheat flour and some colors to make it brown. Now, you should not believe on the advertisement that are being done by the big brands. So, whenever you go to market to buy a packet of bread, always look at the back of the packet and check the ingredients in it. The ingredient should mention the whole grain flour or the whole wheat flour or the whole grain as the keyword to look for. Now, same lies with the cereals. When you go and buy the cereals, always check at the back of the packet that they do not contain any added sugar. Many of the brands, they might make many claims, but all of them is not true. So, if they contain added sugar, it is not good for your body. So, buy the cereals that do not contain added sugar. You can prefer oats without any added sugar. Now you can also choose the fruit juices that do not contain any added sugar, like the orange juice. It is also fortified with vitamins, and it does not contain any added sugar. So the trick is to always look at the back of the packet, check the ingredients, and check whether what you are buying is right for you and good for your body or not. This little habit of checking the ingredients while you go to buy any food product will really help you to buy the right food for you and keep your body healthy. Now coming to one of the immune boosting food, let's talk about probiotics. Probiotics has gained a lot of attention in the past few years. We are all aware of the probiotic food that is available in the market, that is in the form of Yakult probiotic drink, probiotic cheese, probiotic milk, probiotic curd, etc. There are also probiotic cereals in the market that contain high fibers, nutrients, and probiotic microbes. These probiotics are the good bacteria that is important for your digestive system. It improves your digestion and maintains your gastrointestinal health. As we have seen in the previous video, that gastrointestinal system is very important part of the immune system. This probiotic here, by improving your gut health, supports your immune cells and reduces resistance to the innate immunity. You can also look at various research that say that probiotics maintain a balance between the gastrointestinal tract and the immune system. They maintain your gut health by adequate amount of mucus production and appropriate bacterial colonization that prevents the overgrowth of pathogenic bacteria, and thus modulate the disease processes and prevents widespread of various inflammatory diseases, improving your overall immunity. All these probiotic products have the probiotic mentioned on their packaging, and you can also check the probiotic microorganism that has been added to them by checking the packaging. So you can make your breakfast really tasty and healthy by combining the probiotic cottage cheese with your green salad, or the probiotic curd with your sugar-free cereals and lots of fruits, and make it tasty in your own way. I hope next time you go for shopping, you will remember these things and bring these little changes in your shopping habits. This will ensure that you choose the right food for your body, ensuring your body's health. Enjoy your food while keeping a check on your health at the same time. Thank you for watching. I hope you all liked the video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay healthy, stay safe.